Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product, where today we're exploring the top 5 best educational solar robot building kit options that combine hands-on STEM learning, creativity, and renewable energy fun. Let's find the perfect kit to spark young engineers' curiosity. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Hechify Educational Solar Robot Building Kit. The Hechify Educational Solar Robot Building Kit is a versatile and engaging STEM learning toy designed for children aged 8 to 14. It offers an interactive way for kids to explore science, engineering, and renewable energy concepts through hands-on building and experimentation. At the heart of the kit is its impressive 25-in-1 design. Children can follow a step-by-step instruction manual to construct 25 different types of robots. Each model can be taken apart and reassembled, allowing kids to repeatedly experiment with new designs and functions. This process encourages curiosity, patience, and problem-solving, while keeping learning enjoyable and dynamic. The kit is built around the idea of learning through play. As children assemble their robots, they develop spatial awareness, logical thinking, and creativity. Once completed, the robots can move using solar power, giving kids a rewarding experience as they watch their creations come to life under sunlight. This direct interaction helps them better understand how solar energy works in real-world applications. In addition to individual learning, the kit supports collaborative education. It can be used by teachers in classrooms or by parents working together with children at home. This shared building experience helps improve communication, teamwork, and coordination skills, while also making learning more engaging and social. One of the most valuable features is its dual power system. The robots can run on solar energy when exposed to sunlight and switch to electric power in indoor or cloudy conditions. This flexible design ensures continuous use while clearly demonstrating the concept of energy conversion and the importance of clean, renewable energy sources. Overall, the Hechify Solar Robot Building Kit combines creativity, education, and environmental awareness in a single interactive package, making it an excellent choice for hands-on STEM learning and imaginative play. Next up, at number 4, we have the Discovery Educational Solar Robot Building Kit. The Discovery Educational Solar Robot Building Kit is a hands-on STEM learning experience designed to inspire creativity, problem-solving, and engineering skills in children. With the ability to build 12 different types of working robots from a single set, this kit offers an exciting introduction to robotics and renewable energy in a fun and interactive way. Inside the box, children will find 197 carefully designed pieces, including gears, plates, tires, shafts, and connectors. These components allow young builders to follow step-by-step blueprints or experiment freely to create original robot designs. While the included instructions guide the construction of 12 unique robot models, the real value lies in the freedom to mix and match parts, encouraging imagination and independent thinking. A standout feature of this kit is its real-working solar-powered engine. The included solar panel powers the motor using clean energy, teaching children how sunlight can be converted into mechanical motion. When assembled, the motor becomes the driving force behind each robot, offering a practical demonstration of renewable energy in action. For best performance, the robots work most effectively under direct sunlight outdoors, adding an extra layer of real-world science exploration. This kit is more than just a toy. It is an educational STEM tool that introduces concepts of engineering, logic, and critical thinking. As children build and troubleshoot their creations, they naturally develop patience, focus, and problem-solving abilities. The engaging building process blends science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics learning into an enjoyable activity that feels like play rather than study. Designed for children aged 8 and above, The pieces are sized for small hands and are easy to connect, making the building experience smooth and accessible. Whether used at home, during holidays, or as a gift, the Discovery Educational Solar Robot Building Kit provides an enriching way to learn, create, and explore the exciting world of robotics and solar energy. Taking the third spot is the Sillbird Educational Solar Robot Building Kit. The Sillbird Educational Solar Robot Building Kit is a hands-on STEM learning toy designed to introduce children to the fundamentals of robotics, mechanics, and solar energy through creative building and experimentation. It offers an engaging way for kids to understand how technology and renewable energy work in real-life applications while having fun constructing their own models. This educational science kit includes 212 building parts, allowing children to assemble up to 15 different robot forms. These models range from simple, beginner-friendly designs to more advanced builds, including robots, cars, motorcycles, and other imaginative creations. Each configuration provides a new learning opportunity, encouraging problem-solving, creativity, and logical thinking as children progress through different levels of difficulty. One of the standout features of this kit is its dual power system. The robots can run using solar energy outdoors or battery power indoors, ensuring continuous play regardless of weather or lighting conditions. This helps children explore the concept of renewable energy in a practical and interactive way, making learning both meaningful and enjoyable. To make the building process smooth and accessible, the kit comes with clear, illustrated step-by-step instructions. Each stage is carefully explained, allowing kids to follow along independently or collaborate with parents for a shared building experience. This not only supports independent learning, but also encourages family bonding through educational play. Overall, the Sillbird Solar Robot Building Kit combines science, creativity, and hands-on exploration in a single package, making it a valuable educational tool for classrooms, homeschooling, or at-home learning. Coming in at number 2 is the Wesfuner Educational Solar Robot Building Kit. The Wesfuner Educational Solar Robot Building Kit is a thoughtfully designed STEM learning toy that introduces children to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through hands-on creativity. Featuring 30 different robot models in one kit, it encourages kids aged 8 to 12 to explore robotics, engineering concepts, and renewable energy in an engaging and interactive way. By building and experimenting with various robot designs, children develop practical understanding while enjoying a fun and educational experience. One of the standout features of this kit is its dual power source system. The robots can be powered using a solar panel or a AAA battery installed in the robot head. This flexibility allows children to operate their creations both outdoors under sunlight and indoors when solar energy is unavailable. Through this, kids gain awareness of renewable energy and learn how different power sources can be used in real-life applications. The 2026 upgraded design brings several improvements, including new robot forms such as tank and engineering vehicles, a larger solar panel area, and enhanced structural stability. The improved installation system ensures parts fit securely, reducing the chances of components falling off during assembly or play. Additionally, interchangeable robot heads and larger accessories make the building process more exciting and versatile. Beyond robotics, the kit plays an important role in STEM education by promoting critical thinking, problem-solving, and logical reasoning skills. Children are encouraged to think creatively, experiment with designs, and develop innovative solutions. It also fosters teamwork and communication when used in group learning environments, helping build collaboration skills from an early age. Overall, the Wesfuner 30-in-1 Solar Robot Building Kit is more than just a toy. It is a complete educational experience that nurtures curiosity, creativity, and a strong foundation in STEM learning while inspiring a greener and more sustainable future. And finally, our top pick, the Sillbird Educational Solar Robot Building Kit. The Sillbird Educational Solar Robot Building Kit is a hands-on STEM learning toy designed to introduce children to engineering, robotics, and renewable energy in an engaging and interactive way. Through creative DIY assembly, kids are encouraged to explore how simple mechanical systems work while building curiosity and confidence in science and technology. At the heart of the kit is its solar-powered design, which allows children to operate their creations using clean energy. The robots can run outdoors under sunlight or indoors using a strong artificial light source, such as a flashlight, ensuring continuous fun and learning regardless of the environment. This feature helps children understand the basics of solar energy and how renewable power can be harnessed in real life. The upgraded larger solar panel enhances performance by capturing more sunlight and generating stronger energy output. This improvement makes the learning experience more effective as kids can clearly observe how energy is converted into motion. It also reinforces awareness of sustainable energy concepts in a practical, memorable way. With 190 building pieces, the kit offers an impressive 12-in-1 model variety, allowing children to construct different robots and vehicles. The designs range from simpler builds for beginners to more advanced models, enabling the kit to grow alongside a child's developing skills. Each build encourages problem-solving, patience, and creativity as children figure out how components fit and function together. Clear, step-by-step instructions make the assembly process easy to follow, even for first-time builders. Children can work independently or collaborate with family members, turning the experience into both an educational activity and a bonding opportunity. Overall, the Sillbird Solar Robot Building Kit combines play with meaningful learning, offering an enjoyable way for children to discover robotics, engineering, and renewable energy through hands-on exploration. Looking to inspire a future engineer? Check the price link in the description to choose the best kit, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more educational toys and top product reviews.